Welcome to it, Master. In this video, I'll show you the top 5 free AI tools every small business owner in the USA should be using in 2025. These tools can help you save time, automate tasks, and grow your business faster. 1. Canva Magic Studio. Design stunning posts, flyers, logos, and ads without hiring a designer. It's perfect for social media, business cards, and product branding. 2. ChatGPT. Use it to write product descriptions, customer emails, blog posts, or even business ideas. It's like having a 24/7 writing assistant. 3. Pictory AI. Turn blog posts or scripts into professional videos with AI voiceovers. Great for YouTube, Instagram, or product explainer videos. 4. QuickBooks AI Assistant. Manage your finances, invoices, and reports with AI support. Perfect for small businesses looking to stay organized and tax-ready. 5. Copy.ai. Instantly create marketing copy, emails, ad headlines, and social media captions. It helps you attract customers without wasting hours writing. These AI tools are free to start and perfect for business owners who want to do more with less time. Thanks for watching. Like this video and subscribe to it, Master, for more tutorials on AI, freelancing, and tech tools.